Ready to officially join the Crypto.com platform and access the world of digital currencies? In this video, I'll walk you through the complete sign-up process to ensure you're set up correctly from day one. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Signing up for Crypto.com is straightforward, but doing it properly ensures you'll have full access to all features and the highest security standards. Let's get you registered. First, open the Crypto.com app and tap Sign Up on the welcome screen. You'll be asked to enter your email address. Use one you regularly access since this will be your primary contact method for security alerts and account updates. Create a strong, unique password combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Crypto.com takes security seriously, so make sure your password is something you haven't used on other platforms. You'll immediately receive a 6-digit verification code sent to your email. Enter this code in the app within the time limit to verify your email address. This step is mandatory and protects your account from unauthorized access. A crucial pro tip: during sign-up, you'll have the option to enter a referral code. If you have one, this is the time to use it. Referral codes typically give both you and the referrer benefits like reduced trading fees or bonus cryptocurrency. After email verification, you'll gain basic access to the platform, but remember, you'll need to complete identity verification to unlock all features like higher withdrawal limits and full trading capabilities. And there you have it, you're now officially signed up with Crypto.com. The foundation is set for your crypto journey. If this step-by-step guide made your registration smooth, please give it a like. Did you use a referral code during sign-up? Share how much you saved in the comments below. To unlock full platform access, subscribe for our next video on how to verify your identity on Crypto.com. Thanks for watching.